Welcome to Utisam Mathematics. This is where we look at the basic concept in mathematics. I'll be looking at the 7 building blocks of mathematics. The first was arithmetic, and there are 2 videos on this topic, so you can go back and then watch. And then the second one is algebraic expression. Under algebraic expression, we are on factorization. That is, we are looking at a number of ways that we can screen. There is a subscribe button there. You click on it just below. You click on the subscribe button, then you turn on your notification button so that anytime I post a video, you'll be able to access it. Thank you very much for watching this video. So let's look at case 2. So case 2 of factorization is called method of grouping, but I called it re-factorization. So let's do expressions. 1. X squared minus ax plus bx minus ab. If you remember, in case 1, we use method of common factor. That is where we look at all the terms of the algebraic expression. We look at all the terms of the algebraic expression, then a factor which is common. Now looking at all these terms, 4 terms, there is no factor which is common in all the terms. That is where the method of grouping comes in, or re-factorization. So always you look for 2 terms in which there is a common factor. Now if you check this particular example, the first term is there is x squared here, and then there is x, which means that we can group these 2 terms. So let's look at how we do that. So this is equal to bracket open x squared minus ax plus bx minus ab. So now for these 2 terms, you can see that x is common. So we bring x out, leaving 1x minus a, bracket close, plus bx minus ab. You can bring b out. B is common, so it will be left with x minus a. Now we have x minus a, x minus a. So x minus a is common. So that's why I call it re-factorization. So we bring x minus a out. So x minus a out. Now when you bring x minus a out, it will be left with x here is your answer. With this type of factorization, whatever you get on this side, you should get the same thing here. Okay, let's look at the next example. Minus nt. So as I said in the last example, you check the terms. If there are 2 terms which are, you have a common one. So this, the first term and then the second term, there is p common. P is common in these 2 terms. So this is equal to, we group them first, mp plus np minus. Now care must be taken. Well, minus. So as you bring minus out, nt, so that when you open the bracket, you should get the same thing. Now mp and plus np, p is common here into these 2 terms. So you bring p out, then to be left with m plus n minus mt plus nt. So n is common, t is common in both terms. So you bring t out, which will be m plus n. Once again, check. We have m plus n, m plus n. So you do re-factorization. M plus n is common. So you bring m plus n out. Now when you bring it out, to be left with p here, p minus t. So that will be your answer. Let's check the next one. So I just want to give you 30 seconds to look at this, if you can solve it quickly. The next question is x plus y minus ax minus ay. Factorize. Just write it down and then do it. Okay, so let's see how we will go through this. So this is equal to, let's check, x plus y minus ax. So here we have x plus y. You can rewrite this. You can rewrite this one. So x minus ax plus y minus ay. So x is here, another x is there. So you bring x out. So you have 1 minus a plus y is common in these two terms. You bring y out. Then you have 1 minus a. So the re-factorization will come in. 1 minus a is common. So you bring it out. 1 minus a in bracket. So over here to be left with x plus y. That is the answer. With this same question, you can do it this way. So we have x plus y minus ax minus ay. Well, no letter is common in these two terms, but you can say 1 is here, 1 is here. So 1 is common. You bring, let's put them together. So you have x plus y minus, you put this one together, ax plus ay. X plus y minus a x plus y. So you have x plus y here, another x plus y. So you do re-factorization. X plus y in one bracket, and to be left with 1 minus a. So whichever way you do it, you still get the same answer. You have done well. Let's go to the next question. The next one, we have 6ax minus 12by minus 9ay plus 8bx. So once again we check the letters ax here, by. So we can put the x's together. We can rewrite this as 6ax plus 8bx minus you can have 9ay minus 12by. So x. Now which number can go into 6 and at the same time 8? You have 2. So 2x out. 2 into 6, you have 3. Then you have your a. Plus 2 into 8, you have 4. 4b, 12. So you have a 9 and at the same time 12. So you have 3. The letters y is common. 3y. Then to go here, 3a plus 4b. So this is equal to, we have 3a plus 4b, 3a plus 4b. So you refactorize 3a plus 4b out. The bracket, when you take this out, to be left with 2x minus 3y. The next question. So for this one, I want you to try it before we do it together. So try the question on the board. Okay, let's all do it together. We have 3ax here plus y. There's no common term in these two terms, or common factor in these two terms, minus 3x minus ay. So as I've told you, you can rearrange them. So let's rearrange the terms so that we can have a common factor in two terms. So 3ax minus 3x, so that we have xx, then plus y minus ay. Okay, now we have 3x, so 3 is common, x is also common, then to be left with a here, minus a minus 1, a minus 1 plus to bracket 1 minus a. Good. Now I've told you that for this method of grouping, whatever you get here, you should get the same thing there. By looking at this is a minus 1 and this is 1 minus a. So what we can do, we have to bring minus 1y out. Minus y out. So that we have a minus 1. Now when you multiply, you still get the same thing. Yes, you should get the same thing. So you have a minus 1 out times 3x minus y. That becomes your answer. So care must be taken when you are using this method. Sometimes you need to rewrite the expression to suit what this is a typical case. So because this term is not the same as that, so you can rewrite it in such a way that they will be the same. And this will help for watching this video. I've been looking at the 7 building blocks. So this is one of them. I've already done videos on the first block, arithmetic, about 2 videos. You can go back and watch those videos as well. And even within algebraic expression, I've done some 2 videos. You can also go there and watch. Don't forget to subscribe and then turn on your notification button. Next time, I will come to you with case 3, which is quadratic trinomial.